Alright, so right now I brought up WebStorm. We're going to create a new project. I'm going to title it. I'm going to say my video demo. I'm going to create. And the first thing you're going to notice is there's nothing in WebStorm right now. So what we're going to do is right click my video demo. We're going to go to new. We're going to do JavaScript file. And we're going to name this file, let's name it main. I'm going to click OK. And the first thing you'll notice is there's no class right now. And the thing is with JavaScript is that in JavaScript the class declaration is hidden, which means that everything you have written is already inside the class. This is the same as where you would write your functions in C#. Okay, so right now we're going to do a function, and just like in C#, we're going to do my number. And inside my function, I'm going to do console.log, and we're going to do my number. Just so the user knows what we're doing. And the key difference between JavaScript and C# right now is that when we create a variable, we're going to use the keyword var. So I'm going to do var my number equals 5, var my second number is going to equal 6. Just like we did in the C#. So now I'm going to do var. I'm going to press key. And we're going to prompt. We're going to prompt the user to press any key. And this will show up in the browser, just so you're aware. And so right now we're going to do an if statement. So if press key, variable press key, is not equal to null, which is nothing, then we're going to create another variable. We're going to call it my new number. That will equal my number times my second number. And then we're just going to console.log it. This way it appears in the console. So my new number is, I'm going to use the index number, and we're going to do my new number. Now, thing with JavaScript is that you actually can't use this. It will not end up running. It will just end up running the string as it is, and it won't put this variable inside the index. So we're going to change that right now. So instead of is index number 0, we're going to do add, and we're going to do my new number. Perfect. And then we are going to create declaration, the function, my number. So now another important thing about JavaScript is that we also have to run our HTML. So we're going to go back to this, my video demo. We're going to do new, and we are going to make an HTML file, and we're going to call it video HTML file. Okay. So as you can see, the first thing you'll notice is the header, the title. We're just going to leave it title for now, and the body. And everything we want to put right now is inside our body. So right now we're going to do a heading. We're going to do h1. My number will be the title, and this will appear on our browser. And we're going to do h1. Oops. Then below this, we're going to need to source it in our script. And we're going to use the source, and we have to source our main JavaScript file. So the source will equal my video demo. Or excuse me, we named it main. So we're going to use main. Main.js. And we're going to end the script. And now we're going to run it. So we're going to save changes. And so now when I debug it, it should work. As you can see in the console, it comes up with my number, and you can't see it right now, but in my browser it actually says my number as well in all caps. Then we're going to bring this down here. We're going to press any key, and then in the console it will write my new number is 30. And that's basically it for JavaScript. So one more difference to take into consideration is the visibility access modifiers. So in C#, over here, my int equals 5. These variables right here are right now set to private because it's defined within the class, while in JavaScript, you want to see over here, JavaScript is public and can be accessed within the function. So here are your variables that can be accessed within the function. So public is the type of member that can be accessed by any other code in the same assembly or another assembly that references it. And private is the type of member that can be accessed only by code in the same class. And the static always comes after public or private. If it is applied to a method, all other methods must use it as well. And this is the case for our main method. Alright, that concludes my tutorial videos for you guys. I hope you enjoyed them, and I hope they were helpful to you in any way, shape, or form. And have a nice day.